My name is Shrikant Pilla. I'm a Robert Patrick Jenkins Endowed Professor, and I'm also the Director of the Clemson Composite Center. Today we are here to announce the Clemson's first DOE-funded Energy Frontier Research Center. It's called AIM for Composites.
We are honored that the Department of Energy has selected Clemson University to lead the artificially intelligent manufacturing paradigm AIM for Composites Center. This nationwide multidisciplinary effort includes partners such as Brown University, Ohio State University, University of Florida, South Carolina State University, Pacific Northwest National Laboratory, and Savannah River National Laboratory. AIM for Composites has the potential to have a major impact on how manufacturers across industries create composite material components, including advanced materials and advanced manufacturing. The research and work at this center will be key to the future of manufacturing, given the rapid changes in the industry. Clemson has become a national leader within the composites community, and the development of AIM for Composites is a testament to the vision, leadership, and expertise of our team. This center will provide the workforce with top talent and continue to meet the needs of major industries for years to come. And it provides our students with hands-on experiences with composites and manufacturing, connecting the classroom to real-world outcomes and helping to develop the next generation of leaders.
AIM for Composites plays a major role in establishing Clemson University as a national leader in multidisciplinary composite research focused on sustainable energy technologies that help support competitiveness in advanced manufacturing. The level of funding is a testament to the high level of scholarship that Dr. Pilla and his team bring to their work. AIM for Composites sets the stage for innovation and serves as a platform for students to learn the most cutting-edge techniques in composite design and manufacturing. Through this center, we'll be creating the next generation of leaders, innovators, and entrepreneurs, widening and diversifying the talent pipeline. The team's work will be a major boost for economic development in South Carolina and beyond. I congratulate the team and wish them very best.
Clemson has been establishing itself as a major force within the composites community. It's a very fundamental science-driven center. It's funded by the Office of Science at the Department of Energy. In my career, I had so many opportunities and awards from DOE, but getting something from the Office of Science is a real satisfaction and accomplishment because it testifies to the level of fundamental work that we are doing in the composites field. And through this grant, we would like to give a message that Clemson, which has been spearheading a lot of composites application development projects, is also doing some real exclusive discoveries in that domain that can be in future translated into more and more technology applications.